Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the top left corner and tap on this plus icon over here. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click OK. Then select repeat and tap on days of the week. When you're done, tap on vibrate to turn off or on vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, and when you're done, click OK. Then select this bell icon over here and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also tap on add new, pick music from your device by clicking on it and go back. Now if you want to end with customizing your alarm, you can click at this icon over here, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off by tapping at the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, click at the same switcher, but if you want to delete it completely, you can always tap on this bin icon over here. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!